to bleed the clutch on this old Honda Goldwing, 1984.
There's clutch.
Really? That's pretty. So should we try bleeding it down on the thing or just leave
I
it?
think you need to.
Think it had enough in the lines that it just bled out the,
Just this top part.
yeah, the top part. Always use .4. I want to use .3. I don't know if it much matters. You're going to be reading it while you're riding down the road.